In this video, we will go over the invoice workflow trigger. So this provides a automation tailored to payment and invoice status according to your specific requirements. So to use this trigger, we're going to click on Add New Workflow Trigger, and we're going to go down to Payments and click on Invoice. Here you can change the name of your workflow trigger, so you can type this in to personalize this however you'd like. And then here you can change the invoice status to either be sent or paid. And then from there, if you'd like to add additional filters, you can click on Add Filters. And then you can select Has Tag, and then you can select a tag that you have connected to customers, so that if their invoice status is sent and they have a specific tag, that's the only time that this workflow will trigger. Same thing with the paid. You can have this also if the invoice is paid and they have a specific tag, then you can do additional follow-up actions as well. So once you have your workflow trigger situated how you'd like it, just go ahead and click on Save Trigger. And let's go ahead and do this. And you'll see that fill in here. And then once you are satisfied with that, make sure you're clicking on the blue save button up here in the top right corner to save your workflow.